Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking a few cards, guys. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Aries. If you want more clarity in your circumstances today, guys, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, let's start with these cards. We have Moon in reverse, Sun in reverse, and Ace of Suns. So, in your circumstances today, guys, Aries, you may see a lot of uh, opportunities for success, offers, or paths leading to your dreams and goals you may have. But these are just what to say, on the outward, it may look like something good, something positive, but deep down these offers or opportunities are some difficulties in disguise, so you need to be careful, guys. Aries, so if you are making some important decisions today, important choices for yourself, maybe in your work or even in your relationship, you need to do it with clarity. Maybe you may feel really cheerful, inspired to take up something because you love to do that activity or you love that path or choice. But it may not work out well, guys, and it may not be the right thing for you. So maybe there may be some lucrative, very lucrative opportunities coming your way, Aries. But before making or before stepping into those paths, you need to have clarity. So, you need to decide for yourself. Maybe for some of you, you would have been really certain about some returns or the rewards for your work, but it may get delayed or something may go wrong, and some kind of obstacles are there in your circumstances today, guys. So, even in this relationship, Aries, maybe with this person, if you want, uh, what to say, if you want a positive, meaningful relationship, you must go for clarity. Maybe you would have had a beautiful understanding with this person, things were going in a positive way, but today for some reason maybe you may have some misunderstanding, something may suddenly happen, maybe your circumstances may change and this person may lose their trust on you. So if you want a positive relationship, a meaningful connection with this person, you must be open. You must have a clear communication, guys. So this person expects clear communication from you. So maybe whatever plans or whatever you want with this person, you need to voice it out. Then they will have clarity, they will understand you. And even though if you are in some difficult situation in your career, maybe that may affect the way things are in this relationship, you must voice it out to this person you love, guys. So for your relationship, we picked one card, guys. So it is 10 of Suns. So with this card, maybe this may be what your person feels about you or what you feel about this person. Maybe if you can hold on guys, wait. This situation is going to resolve by itself. Maybe whatever misunderstandings you may have, if you can just be patient, wait for some more time, things are going to clear up, and you must have patience for that, Aries. So all these difficulties, misunderstanding or whatever it is, it's going to clear up, Aries, very soon. So for your career situation, guys, we have the Emperor. So you are someone really confident, you know what will work well in your work situation. So you have a lot of knowledge, and maybe you are in an important position in life. You are holding an important job, and job that comes with authority, and that may be the reason people come to you for some kind of ideas and support in your work situation, guys, and you know what will work well for you, guys. So overall, Aries, I see whatever difficulties you are facing today, you are going to overcome all that with grit and perseverance today, guys, Aries. So that is the reading for y'all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys. So now let's start with the first card. So for those who chose this card, I will take this card aside, guys. So let's see what is the card for y'all. It is chop wood. So with this card, guys, the energy is that today maybe you are feeling really bored, or you feel that you don't have anything to do. So often in any relationship or friendship, there are periods of boredom and lulls. So you need to understand that this is the time for you to be really grounded. So nothing is important today than making simple tasks your focus. So whatever you do day to day, so even in this relationship, maybe you are you need to be aware of the things you are doing every day. It may be mundane things, something small, something simple, but you need to do it. You need to be there today, and that is what is going to make your relationship perfect. So doing simpler things together, just having a meal together, going for a walk together, simply reading a book together, maybe just staring into each other's eyes. So this may not be the time for action, but this is the time for us to have that space to breathe. So you're in your relationship, guys, this may be the time you need to take stock, understand each other, but just being together is what is important today, guys. Being present, being grounded in reality in your present situation. So everything is well, everything is going as it should be. Maybe this is not the time for you to move towards great dreams and goals, but to pay attention to the simpler tasks of your day-to-day life. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So maybe just spending time with this person you love, it's going to bring clarity and understanding, and it is going to help you to deepen this relationship, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, we will see what it is. It is Puss in Boots, wit. So maybe today, in your circumstances, in your life, you need to be more, more free and use your skills and talents today. Maybe not wait for your dreams or goals to come towards you, but pursuing that actively, using your skills and using all the opportunities you have today. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you need to be a genius today, using your intelligence and using your wits. So what needs to be done? You should do it using your the easiest way to do it. Maybe it may be something which you never implemented, but you should not leave any opportunity to achieve what you need to achieve, rather than waiting for those opportunities to come towards you. And maybe in your situation, there is a friend who is very charming and who is very clever, helping you out today, guys. And this is the time for you to optimize each and every opportunity you have, using your skills and intelligence and charm. So whatever opportunity it may be in your work or in your relationship, you are not going to let any opportunity go. You must try to use the best of any circumstance and to achieve whatever you need to achieve using your intelligence. So it should be something that should not hurt others, guys, in the process. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for y'all. And you are moving into some new phase. You are feeling more cheerful and confident in yourself, and you will be feeling that way. That is what I see with this card, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.